Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Phantom Wallet with debit or credit card. So all you need is open the app on your phone and then make sure you are logged in and then press on buy here. Now you can choose any cryptocurrency that you want to buy, for example Bitcoin, and then you input the amount that you want to spend in USD and then you select the payment method. As you can see, we have debit card here and it will come in less than 10 minutes. And then continue. Now you will be redirected to a web page to enter your credit card. Now make sure that this is the cryptocurrency that you want to buy and then press on continue. Now you need to enter your email and then enter your credit card details, card number, CSV and expiry date, and then place your purchase. That's it. Now you can find the cryptocurrency bought here on your account, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.